Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, we are going to learn how we can sign up for Phemex. So first of all, open the Phemex application. If you don't have the app yet, make sure to download it from your Google Play Store or your App Store and launch it open. Now, once you're in this welcome screen, click on Create Account. On the next page, to sign up, you'll need to provide your email address and the password. You can also sign up using one of these options at the bottom of the screen if you don't want to sign up with email. But me, of course, I want to sign up with my email address, so go ahead and enter a valid email address that you have an access to. Make sure to type in your own email address and then go to the next field and type in a strong password for your account. You can include these criteria at the bottom to create a login password. Just go ahead and type it down. Finally, click on Create Account. Now, on the next page, you'll need to verify your email. Go ahead and open up your email service provider's inbox. You'll receive a verification on your email inbox. Go ahead and type it down exactly as it appears. And on the next page, you need to go ahead and verify your identity. Click the Verify button and complete your identity verification. You'll need to provide a government-issued documents, face recognition verification, and once you complete that, you'll be able to get 1,000 USDT bonus. And once your account is done with verification, you can explore crypto prices, deposit funds, and start trading. So that's how you can easily sign up for Phemex. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.